Hello YouTube! We decided to pull down this acacia tree. It created a huge shadow that basically blocked sunlight from everything we tried to grow around it, and it created an enormous mess in the gutters every fall. So down it goes. First I climbed up, and Silky Zubad did a great job of cutting all the crown. You can see the pile down there. That's all that's left of the crown. Didn't even have to fetch my power tools. And now I'm trying to pull out the trunk. So you can see the roots here are absolutely huge. Just to see my hand, this thing is about 3 to 4 inches wide. This one as well. This is a big sausage. So I cut this, couple of small ones on the ground, in the ground here. Last year when we were planting this plum tree, there was another 3-inch root underneath, which I cut as well. Yeah, so it's a bit rocky. And we'll see how it goes. First I try to put it with just my 2.5 ton ratchet straps, and didn't budge. Too much flex here. So bringing in some heavy rigging. So what we got here is a 2-ton sling. It's actually rated 2-ton lifting capacity. It was tested at 4 ton, and breaking strength is 16 ton. Then we have 2 of these guys. These are regular ratchet straps, weigh 2,500 each, but that's a breaking strength. So we have 16-ton breaking strength, 5-ton breaking strength. Then on the other side, I'm using my trusty wattle tree to hook in. So here we have another sling, which is rated 2-ton lifting, 16-ton braking, and we have 3-ton chain block. So again, 3-ton rated, 4.5 ton tested. I don't know what its braking strength, but most likely it's more than these 2 blue thingies. So by far looks like this is the weakest link. I will see. If they snap, I'll just wrap them around like 4 or 5 times. That should be enough. So let's give it a chooch. I'll put my hard hat in case a piece of metal will come in flying into my head, and we'll start rolling the chain. Well, looks like it's starting to let go. You see it's tilting quite a lot, and the roots starts to come up here. Hope we are close. That work is wearing me out very quickly. I think cutting tools and chopping tools and sewing tools, they will do the rest. So what we have here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess at least 5 roots that went down. First time I'm using chain block, and it worked. One of the new ratchets, kind of unwinded. Not sure exactly whether it slipped through the tooth. I just didn't make enough loops to create a perfect knot. But anyhow, nothing seems to be broken. There will be extra careful whenever I use it next time. So again, sling, 2-ton sling, 4-ton shackle, two 2500 breaking strengths ratchets, 3-ton chain block. Wow, so it worked. It worked. The only thing that surprised is the amount of labor it requires to operate this thing, particularly when it's not in the air as you would normally use it. So you can't just hang the chain, pull the chain with your body weight. You have to literally pull it out and also control the incoming chain from sliding in properly. So the trick I did, I actually threw the incoming chain over the outgoing chain. When I pull it, it stays more or less aligned. Still, this thing got stuck quite often. I'm not sure if that's the quality of the brand. After all, it cost me only 170 bucks Australian. If you go to a proper rigging shop, then similar capacity device would have cost you almost 500. So that's a good deal that got the job done. I don't plan to lift on it anything. So here we go, and I'm going to rest. Okay, another attempt to move this stump out. I just want to move it a bit to make sure there are no any other roots that it's holding to. So I thought it was getting stuck because he got pinched against this root. So I cut about 4 inches here. I also cut the other 2 branches and lift it up so it won't burrow into the ground. Cut all the rest. We just need the top here, and improving on my past experience, I just looped on one of the straps here 4 times. So hopefully now the lock wouldn't fail, because it's gonna be just a half load that they hold last time. And the same drill again. I just need to move it about 4 inches just to make sure it's free, and later on I'll wash it with the pressure washer, let it dry, and then cut it with the chainsaw or any other saw or just an axe. I want to wash it first because I don't want to dull my blades. Anyhow, let's see how it goes. now we are done. That thing is lifted. Nothing major touches the ground anymore. So from here, it's a short job. Just clean it up, cut it in pieces, and leave it drying. Woohoo! It worked. The chain block absolutely delivered, and I lost quite a bit of calories today. That's for sure. Okay, so here the stump all cleaned up with pressure washer. That's reasonably clean. It's very interesting to see the root structure. So tomorrow when it dries up a bit, I can start chopping it piece by piece, and hopefully without meeting too many stones that are still hidden between the roots.